I will ask the simple question. Shama Mohammed, more than 2 crore women have benefited from Ladki Bahin, 7,500 coming into their pockets over the last 4 months. Will you concede that this has given a huge advantage in narrative terms to the Eknath Shinde government?
I will not concede that. First, Rajdeep, let's understand that we started this in Karnataka, as you know very well, and we have empowered 1.2 crore women in this time. But the issue is when we started it, the Prime Minister of India called it Revidi. He clearly said this is Revidi. My question today to them, the Bharatiya Janata Party, you are saying there is Viksit Bharat, Amrit Kal, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, all these things. Why are you then bringing in Ladli Behna in the last 2 to 3 months? You should have got it in before. My question is, why did you not get it before? Why is it done for election purpose? And Dhananjay MP, let me finish. He said in a rally, photo kicho, take the photograph of those women who are in Congress rally and give it to me, and then I will see to it that they don't get it. So is this a bribe, Rajdeep? Sir, decide. I want to know, is Bharatiya Janata Party bribing? How dare he says that if you go and attend a Congress rally, we will not give you Ladli Behna. It is for everyone. It is for each and everyone if you want
He
to
has
give
apologized for that statement.
No,
This
but
is
that is
Dhananjay
what he
Mahadik.
mean.
Okay.
That is what he means.
You are
that
saying
is what
it's a
you're saying.
okay.
It's a bribe to get vote. That is what I'm
You're
telling
saying
you.
it's goose.
Yes.
आप कह रहे हो लाडकी बहन घूस है.
Yes.
Madam, you want to respond?
We-
Miss Ayed, you want to respond?
Why didn't they start it before? My question today is, why are they starting 2 months before election? If you really wanted to help the people of Maharashtra, the women of Maharashtra, you've been in power more than 2.5 years, you should have started before.
Okay, let her respond. Ma'am, respond.
Good
Is
evening,
this a
everyone.
bribe? Are you
Namaskar.
bribing the women?
Jai Maharashtra. Jai Jai Bhavani. Jai Jai Shivaji. Okay.
HI, what is the connection between that and the question, madam?
Yeah, I will come to
But
that.
please go. Huh.
Um,
Go ahead.
so, as your question, coming to your question, the Maji Ladki Behan Yojana is a very important yojana which empowers every underprivileged woman across Maharashtra. The state of Maharashtra, we walk the talk. We are not here to do any fake promises. We are not here to create fake narratives. We have walked the talk. We have directly credited the amount to the Aadhaar linked, through DBT. So, this scheme is, which is availed to those women across Maharashtra, especially underprivileged sections between 21 years to 65 years.
No, but how did you discover it only after the Lok Sabha defeat? Suddenly you realized कि
it is
महाराष्ट्र
not
की
that-
महिलाओं को
it is
empower
not
करना है.
that- It is not that we have
Listen.
suddenly discovered or something. It has been happening. Our government, our Mahayuti Sarkar believes that, women of Maharashtra definitely need
Rajdeep, it's a
No,
lie.
empowerment.
she did not
beyond-
intervene with you.
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead, madam.
Thank you so much. So we always felt that our underprivileged sections of the women, they are deprived of all, economic freedom, health, nutrition. This amount will definitely empower them,
How
give
did
them
you
economic
you didn't answer
independence.
my question. How did you all wake up to this only in June
It's not
of
waking up. It
2024?
was there for quite some time.
There
we
was
have
no
been
such
designing them.
Okay.
So we have been designing them.
You're-
See, that's
and
a
it
lie.
was said.
That's a
It
lie.
is not a lie.
She's
It
lying.
is- and
Ma'am,
we have
Shama
been-
Mohammed, 1 minute. You must, Vinita Deshmukh. Okay,
And,
okay,
this-
you're saying
this
it's a
was
lie. 1 minute,
implemented.
ma'am.
This
You're
was-
saying you are committed to the women
We
of
are
Maharashtra.
committed.
Okay.
And we have walked the talk.
Oh, you have walked the talk. Okay.
Till November.
Let's be honest.
You knowing.
Okay, Vinita Deshmukh, I have been traveling across the state. Most women I meet are happy कि हमको 1500 मिल गए. The only thing they tell me, सरकार एक हाथ से देती है, दूसरे हाथ से लेती है. कि तेल का दाम बढ़ गया, सोयाबीन का ऑयल का दाम बढ़ गया, केरोसिन का. What is the truth? Do you believe that at the end of the day, women need empowerment, and one way to empower them is give them cash so that they can at least feel a little sense of economic freedom? The truth is between the two of them.
Actually, the truth is much worse. Maharashtra is in 6 lakh crore deficit. All the roads are in dire straits. A journalist turned activist who is now a grassroots worker in education and health has found pathetic condition in all the public primary and high schools across Maharashtra where some schools do not have money to buy chalk, where all the non-teaching staff are sacked and they are not re-employed, where teachers, once they retire, the vacancies are not filled, where teachers have to do first jhadu pocha, there is no peon, and then they have to teach. The whole schools are in dilapidated condition. The public health is in dilapidated condition. When we are facing such a crisis, the BJP alliance government suddenly wakes up to give, yes, it's a bribe. And I tell you, it has really clicked. Because whenever I've gone to the banks, the entire government machinery, besides the bank administration, has been extremely efficient. In my house, all the maids are thrilled because they've already got 4,500 rupees and I think they've got some Diwali bonus.
So they are happy. They are happy with it then.
They are happy. And now the worst part is that in case the other opposition alliance wins, they are going to get even more. So there is a big tussle.
That's exactly it. You are blaming them for giving 1,500. You have also woken up and
both
said,
are same, both
हम
are
आपको
same.
3,000 रुपए देंगे.
Okay.
So ये 1,500, I will give 3,000.
Okay, so Rajdeep, let me explain that.
Maharashtra
And
budget.
they have increased to
Maharashtra's-
2,100.
No, as she's right, Maharashtra's debt is going up. It will cross 7 lakh crores. I've been traveling across. School बराबर नहीं है, hospital बराबर नहीं है, रास्ते बराबर नहीं है, लेकिन लोगों के पॉकेट में डालेंगे 1,500, 3,000. You are also bribing
Okay,
them.
so first and
Their
foremost-
bribe is matched by your bribe.
First and foremost, she lied. She said that we have started before. They started last 2 months. Let's understand the truth.
July.
Number two, in Karnataka, we started because there was a BJP 40% sarkar before that. So they finished off the economy. We had to help out the women. Same thing happened in Telangana. There was another sarkar. So we started.
All these schemes are financially ruinous.
No, no.
45,000 crores, you could build so many better schools
So
and
let me-
hospitals, provide
Rajdeep,
jobs.
Rajdeep-
लोगों को नौकरी नहीं है. नौकरी
Rajdeep-
दे दो, रोजगार चाहिए महाराष्ट्र में.
Has they been
Rajdeep,
implemented?
let me finish
Has
this.
they been
No, I
One
did
minute,
not
one minute,
interrupt.
ma'am.
When the gas prices are so high,
Yes.
when the petrol prices are high, when there's diesel prices are high, when there's GST on milk, 5% GST on milk, dal, atta, everything you do, we have no other way but we need to empower the women. When you give money directly into their bank account, this helps them in the coming time.
What is the
Let's
difference
understand
between
that.
their 1,500 and your 3,000?
Their 1,500 is started 2 months before. They were in power. They could have started
You are
months
starting
before.
it if you get
we
elected.
are starting it. We have started in Karnataka and we are continuing with it.
Why
We have
didn't you
not
do it
stopped
when you were in the
Let me
government in
tell you,
Maharashtra?
Let me ask you one thing.
आपका भी 2.5 साल का सरकार था.
So
You could have given it then.
when we were in the government of Maharashtra, the economy was much better. Now, every industry, let me tell you.
That's
when
not
they
true.
started, let me finish, Rajdeep, you're interrupting me.
please.
When they started this Ladli Behna, Ajit Pawar was against it. Who is there? He said, we do not have the money. Now, we, the Congress party, are the ones who started the Food Security Act. We showed the country we had the money. We started Manrega. We showed the country we had the money. We have proven that we are able to do it. Now, their issue is, let me tell you, they talk about Amrit Kal Viksit Bharat. I'm asking you, if there is Amrit Kal Viksit Bharat, you're giving saris for women, you're giving utensils for women, you're giving construction workers kits. Now, I want to ask them that if there is so much development in Maharashtra, why do you need to do this? The women are
Okay.
empowered.
Ma'am, you made your point. Ms. Iyer, please respond to this. The fact is being
And
said again.
Revedi, let me tell
No, no,
ask
ek
her,
minute.
when the Prime Minister, why does he say Revedi in Karnataka and now it is not Revedi?
Okay, you
That
made,
is- they never
madam,
answer this.
let her respond. Miss Iyer, is this a revdi? Is this simply ki you cannot provide people rozgar, to thoda paisa de do. You cannot bring down prices, thoda paisa de do.
So it
This is
not
an
true.
election
This
bribe.
is not true that we are doing it for election or something. Our Mahayuti Sarkar is very much committed to empowering every section of the society. Whether it is from Ladki Behan or we also had Bhai Yojana, we had every section of the society being empowered. The aim of Maji Ladki Behan was when we saw that underprivileged sections of the society, especially the women across Maharashtra, they were deprived of their basic health, nutrition and other
Who deprived
facilities.
them? Who deprived them? They are in power.
No, we were
She's saying
you were there
deprived.
within 2
They
years.
are in power.
You were there
They are
in
deprived.
Madam,
2
you
years.
did not-
You
you're
were there
again
in 2 years.
intervening.
You never allowed anything. You stalled all the infrastructure projects.
I will give you
In the
data.
span of 2 years, we have walked the talk. For the last 4-5 months, we have credited their amount, entire amount till today, till
Can I
before the war code of conduct.
can I ask you though, for a woman, and I meet fisher women who work 5 a.m. to 5 p.m., what they really need is jobs. They want better facilities. They want fish markets to be better. They want their children to get jobs. They want real wages. They fear that your government will stop this soon after the
No,
election.
it is
You
not
win
like
the
that.
election, you will stop
No,
it.
it is never like
Are you
that.
giving me an assurance you will not
no,
stop
we
this
will
after
never,
the
we
election?
have never done that, and we will never do that.
You will never stop
We
this
have
scheme.
never
This is
done
a
that.
permanent scheme.
Yes, we are. And we have already told that it will be continued in the month of
So
December.
Maharashtra's debt can keep going up.
No, it
You
is
will
not like
continue.
that.
Okay.
It is not like
Where
that.
Vinita, the fact is it easy to say let's put money in health, let's put money in education? At the end of the day, I come back to it. Women do also need to be empowered. If I get 1,500 rupees, it means a lot. As you said, the people who work in your house or people who work in the village, they feel at least they've got something in tough times.
Yeah, definitely. And I wish the BJP alliance would give it from their pocket. Anyway, they have got collected so much in the electoral bonds. So where do they give this money from? From our hard tax money which we give the government. What right do they have that they will give a certain Ladki? And what is Ladki Behan? When 4-year-olds were molested in Thane, at that time, because it was a BJP leader's school, the school's name was not brought up. There was no, that fellow ran away. That time, he is a Ladki Bhau. When the Chhatrapati Shivaji statue fell down, the guy disappeared because he was the chief minister's son's friend. So that time, there are no Ladki. These are the Ladki Bhaus and these are the Ladki Bahins who have got influence, who can do all the crime and get protected. Whereas women, girls, they are suffering from anemia. They do not get in Sassoon Hospital. There's a major scam of free medicines where poor people have to spend for X-ray and MRI and medicines. So what about those Ladki Bahens? They are in penury when they go for their deliveries. Is this called? And the Congress is no better. Instead of saying that we will improve Maharashtra if we come to power, they are now going on increasing Ladki Behan, the youth.
Mahalakshmi, they have started Mahalakshmi.
Wherever they know, my point is this. After COVID, how many thousands of families, the teenage boys and girls, have stopped education? Where were you that time? That time you didn't give for the youngsters,
Sorry to interrupt.
funded their education.
The important point that is there,
Yeah.
कि असली सवाल है ना, महाराष्ट्र में जहां भी जाता हूं लोग कहते हैं कमीशन पे सब कुछ होता है. ये कमीशन राज का स्टेट बन गया है, भ्रष्टाचार. जितना पैसा वो आप नेताओं को मिलता है ना, उतना पैसा हम जनता को दे दो. Everything will be fine. The point at the moment, Shama Mohammed, is you are taking, as Vinita said, taxpayers' money. 45,000 crores of taxpayers' money is going into a scheme which BJP says will be there forever.
It will be over 1 lakh crore.
And it will be now over 1 lakh crore if you give 3,000 rupees.
Okay.
Why don't you give a scheme ki naukri kaise
I'll
milegi?
tell you
How
something.
will you empower people through jobs? None of you talk about jobs because you can't give
I'll
jobs
tell you
anymore
what.
in Maharashtra.
No, she talked about health issue. We are giving now a health insurance in our guarantees of 25 lakh. We understand that. So when
That's for elections. That's for
one
elections.
second, let me we continue the same thing in our guarantees in Karnataka are continuing. Our guarantees in Telangana are continuing. So what we are saying is that we continue with our guarantees. We don't stop the guarantees in between. Now Rajdeep Sardesai, this 25 lakh, before we used to give subsidies. Remember that we used to have subsidies. The subsidies have stopped because subsidies, there's a lot of leakage. So we're giving it directly to the women. We are also going to be giving gas cylinders at 500 rupees for women in a year, those who are in BPL families. We are also giving free bus rides. Now a lot of people go to work,
Are they
household work.
all going
that
on?
has helped.
Is
that has
a
helped
scheme going on in Karnataka
it has helped 2 lakh.
I'm sorry to say it is not
she's
happening.
interrupting.
One minute.
No, that's not
sorry.
fair.
Have some control.
No, I did not
Ma'am, एक minute.
I did not
We seem to be entering a freebie culture.
No, one second.
One minute.
Let me finish my point.
No,
She interrupted.
Ma'am,
I'm sorry. I want to finish my point.
Ma'am, what is your point?
One last point.
What is your point?
Now, you keep pointing fingers at us. In 2019, the Modi government reduced the corporate tax from 30% to 22%. So only 1% of this country is having all the wealth because it's corporate. They and also 9 lakh crore, the debt of these big industrialists have been forgiven. Now I'm asking you, the farmer suicides you know, in this country, there are female farmers.
Who
More
started
than
it?
20,000 farmers
Under
have
which
committed
regime it
suicide.
had- it
My
was
question is, why don't you...
Careful,
Why don't you?
careful,
Why
ma'am.
don't you
Under
do
which
that?
regime it was
Why
the
don't you?
highest?
Why
It
don't?
was reduced now.
Why don't you
There
mark
were
go to
no
the
farmer
debt?
suicide.
Forgive the debt to
Before
the
Ma'am,
farmers.
ma'am, see,
We
you're
didn't
not...
There are
know.
no farmer
Shama
suicide.
Mohammed, you cannot
Yeah.
move from one point to the other.
No,
but
I'm
Miss
telling you
Iyer...
as
No,
a-
no, 1 minute.
I'm
Miss
giving
Iyer...
you facts.
Miss Iyer,
She's
1 minute.
interrupting.
Miss Iyer, 1 minute. All of you...
Rajivji,
Just a minute. I want to ask you one simple question. I have just a minute. You have to listen to me. I have come
interrupting.
from Vidarbha. I have come from Marathwada, where farmers commit suicide. किसान आत्महत्या करते हैं, शेतकरी आत्महत्या करतो. For last
Soya
20...
beans,
1 minute,
soya
madam.
beans,
Madam,
I'll tell
stop
you.
it now. You cannot intervene like this. The fact is, 25 years, this has been happening in Maharashtra. Every year, thousands of farmers either commit suicide or are in debt. You have not been able to resolve that. Fact is, parts of Maharashtra outside Mumbai, Pune, Nashik are worse than some of the Bimaru states today when it comes to social and economic indices. You have not been able to solve that. And you come at election time, ye free hoga, wo free hoga. You're not solving Maharashtra's problems. Maharashtra ke problems kahan solve karega? That's why the Marathas are asking for Arakshan. That's why the Vanchit Bahujan is saying ki hamara kya hoga? What is going to happen to these groups?
Aren't we doing that?
How?
राजीव जी, प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना, प्रधानमंत्री जो क्रॉप सीड जो है with the free devoid of pesticides, we have given all to all the farmers, especially to Vidarbha and other regions of
मैडम आप
you know,
मेरे साथ
Maharashtra.
आप विदर्भा चलिए, आप
मैं
मेरे
जरूर
साथ
जाऊंगी,
भीड़ चलिए,
मैं भी
हम
I'm
आपको
also on the
जाएंगे.
ground. I'm
Please
also
come
on
with
the
me.
ground. I'm also on the ground. I have my friends, you know, I have on the ground.
1 minute. Maratha activists want to say something.
Yes, yes,
को एक
बोलिए.
सब ये क्वेश्चन पूछिए कि आप जब चुनाव जीतते हैं, जब आपका मंत्रिमंडल जब सब ये होता है, उस टाइम में आप ये योजना क्यों नहीं लाते? जब इलेक्शन आता है, उसके लास्ट
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. प्रधानमंत्री किसान
अच्छा, ठीक है.
सिंचाई योजना,
वंचित काय म्हणायचं आहे?
जलायुक्त
एक मिनिट,
शिविर,
एक
ये
मिनिट
सब
बोलो.
बहुत
देखो,
जब
ये
हमारे
जो
देवेंद्र बाबू जो फडणवीस
लाड़की-
जब मुख्यमंत्री थे, तब से
लाड़की
शुरू
बहन
हुआ
की
है.
जो पैसे लाए हैं ये बजट में कोई भी प्रोविजन नहीं था. ये जो पैसा है बार्टी जो बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट को पैसा आता है वहां से, और सोशल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट से पैसे बच्चों को ऐसा अशिक्षित रखने का और पैसा उनको माँ को देने का ऐसा इनका तरतूद है.
This is not like
What about
that.
young people?
This is not
You
at
want
all
this
like
scheme?
that.
1 minute,
This
1
is a
minute.
social welfare scheme.
Okay, ma'am, listen.
This is a social welfare scheme.
Please
to
listen to the
empower
young.
all the
Social
entrepreneurs.
welfare
Madam, you
scheme is started by the Congress party.
1 minute, listen.
But you have not walked the talk.
Madam,
We have
please
walked
listen.
the talk.
Please
We have
listen.
credited in their
Please
account.
listen to young
Now what?
people.
We have
Please
credited
listen,
account.
ma'am.
Oh,
Miss
we
Iyer, you have to
everything.
listen.
So far, around 24.32 million
Madam,
beneficiaries.
he has to
have
listen.
come.
Madam, you can't. Please allow
Yes.
people to
Yes,
talk.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Okay, so it was discovered that bloodworms were found in Mula Muta's water that is supplied to majority of the Pune area. And so none of that money you're giving is used to solve problems for the general public.
What would you like the money to be spent on?
Instead of giving money to women who potentially don't even have that financial autonomy to use that money for themselves, invest it into something that will actually make impact. And no women...
Give me an example. What would you like the money to be invested in? Healthcare. Okay, healthcare, education. You know, the fact is, ma'am, Maharashtra at the moment, and I'm going to give Vinita therefore the final word. You know, no, 1 minute. No, you have spoken enough, ma'am. The fact is
This is
that
not
we...
fair. I want to tell about the farmers
No,
thing.
you cannot.
MSP promise
Madam,
was
I will cut
by
this.
2000.
Ma'am, I will edit you out. The fact is, Vinita, this is a state where farmers have struggled. I see in Pune also you've had floods, you've had infrastructure problems. What would you put the 45,000 crores into? A final word.
Of course, into the civic amenities and public amenities, on road infrastructure, on water supply, on the dirty rivers, on the public health and education for our future citizens. Future is at stake. And do you know, Rajdeep, that on 8th of October, all the contractors, all Ladke contractors of the government, they in every district collector's office, they had a silent protest because 40,000 crore rupees dues have not been given to them. And when they protested, some was not allowed to protest. My point is, where is all this money going to come from the government to give it to the general janta? Are you just going to go on feeding like freebies